Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Just a quick video to demonstrate this meter reading padlock or utilities access padlock. This can be used for a wide range of services, from reading your gas, reading the power, giving access to tradies, all those sorts of things, or water. One of the systems that is still in use, but check with your local provider before you buy anything. A lot of the time they try and sell you the top of the line Abloy. A lot of the time you can still use a system like this. This is what's called the E key. So you've got the lowest one, or the cheapest one, the oldest one, NMB, and then you have E key, and then you have Abloy. So there's actually three different systems you can use. Although a lot of the companies are saying use Abloy, it's not exactly friendly for all the tradespeople. If you have an Abloy lock on your, let's say, meter or something, and an electrician comes around and they can't get the lock off and they've got to turn the power off, first thing they're going to do is cut the lock off or destroy the lock. If you've got one on the Tel Key or the NMB key, they can remove it and then put it back afterwards. So the actual safety requirement is met where it's under lock and key, but generally it's only the people who actually have those keys are able to get in. And it's generally meter readers, electricians, locksmiths, people like that. So the keys that this padlock comes with will work the lock, but these are not master keys. These are just two keys for this padlock. So once you go up to your meter board, you clip it on like so. The meter reader will then come along with their key, which is this one here, and then they can just put their key in and unlock it. So that's the meter reader or the gas people. If the telco company want to come along and do that as well, they can. They've got their own key, which is the Tel Key. This is labelled at the bottom of the lock, but here, E key and Tel Key, so that the person opening the lock can actually know what it is. It's also labelled on the side with utilities, so that any person who opens these type of locks all day, every day reading meters can clearly see what it is and what they need to do. Now this is an ABUS 8345 Mariner or Marina sort of padlock, so it's designed for outdoor conditions. One of the reasons we pair this outdoor padlock up, compared to a normal padlock for this, is because a lot of these padlocks are always out in the weather. So by having a marine grade padlock just means it's going to work better and last longer. It's worth that extra couple of bucks. So anyway, you put that on your meter board and away you go. You put it on any room or door or gate that anyone's going to need access to when you're not there, such as a meter reader, water, or power reading, anything like that, and away you go. If you've got double doors, you can put a hasp and staple and just clip a padlock on. You can do anything like that. Normally once the meter reader's used it, they'll just come along, they'll clip it back shut again. For example, they'll come along, they'll open it like so with their key, and then they'll just clip it like that. They'll go in, they'll read the meter, then they'll lock it back up and just clip it back together. So this is available from drlock.com.au, 8345 padlock made by ABUS. We make the conversion, making it suitable for meter readers and power readers. Comes with two keys. More keys are available, and you can get more keys cut later on down the track via any good key cutting service. Okay, so that's the Tel Key, E key, 8345 marine grade padlock. Thanks for watching.